Welcome back to the channel, RV enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. Today, we are taking an exclusive and highly detailed look at a towable recreational vehicle that is completely redefining what it means to travel in a compact footprint. For years, the travel trailer market has been absolutely dominated by the same traditional, uninspired white box designs that lack personality, innovation, and durability. However, the industry is experiencing a massive shift, and leading the charge into this new era is the highly anticipated 2027 Keystone Reign 19RK. This small but mighty travel trailer is turning heads across the automotive and recreational vehicle landscape because it manages to do the impossible. It packs an incredible amount of luxury, functionality, and living space into a remarkably compact package, making it a travel trailer that genuinely feels completely huge on the inside. If you have been searching for the perfect weekend getaway rig or a comfortable companion for extended off-grid expeditions, you will definitely want to stick around as we explore every single detail of this engineering marvel. A couple of years ago, Keystone RV made a bold decision to break away from the conventional mold and introduced the Reign series. The goal was to create aerodynamic, compact, and exceptionally built travel trailers that would dramatically elevate the camping experience for modern travelers. While many manufacturers make bold claims, Keystone actually delivered on their promises. Now, for the 2027 model year, the entire series is receiving a host of significant upgrades directly inspired by real-world customer feedback. At the very top of this impressive lineup sits the 19RK, which is the largest, most feature-rich, and most premium entry in the entire Reign family. This rear kitchen floor plan was already a fan favorite when it debuted last year, but the newest iteration brings a level of refinement that places it in a class of its own. It is a true testament to Keystone's commitment to continuous improvement and their dedication to listening to the people who actually use their products. Let's start by examining the rugged and highly capable exterior of the 2027 Reign 19RK. The first thing you will notice are the newly upgraded composite solid entry steps, providing a safe, sturdy, and bounce-free entrance into your mobile sanctuary. The exterior aesthetic has been beautifully enhanced with brilliant LED trimming lights that give the trailer a futuristic and premium glow at the campsite. Safety has also been prioritized, with the addition of smart rear blinkers that perfectly coordinate with the turning lights on your towing vehicle, ensuring maximum visibility on the highway. Foundationally, this trailer sits on an ultra-durable huck-bolted chassis finished with a heavy-duty powder coating. For the suspension, Keystone opted for a premium single torsion axle, providing an incredibly smooth and stable towing experience, especially when paired with the aggressive 15-inch all-terrain tires and sleek black aluminum rims. A power tongue jack also comes standard, making hitching and leveling an absolute breeze. When it comes to the actual construction of the shell, the 19RK leaves traditional manufacturing methods in the dust. The walls are constructed using cutting-edge composite material, wrapped in a gorgeous aluminum skin that is finished with high-quality automotive paint, giving it a sleek, streamlined appearance. The floors are equally impressive, utilizing a fully composite flooring system. This means that organic materials like wood have been completely eliminated from the structural components, providing owners with a solid guarantee of zero mold, zero rot, and a lifetime of worry-free enjoyment. Furthermore, the entire underbelly of the trailer is fully enclosed and protected, creating a robust shell that is virtually impervious to the harsh elements, making this rig perfectly suited for year-round travels and four-season camping adventures. Stepping inside this magnificent 23-foot and 6-inch long trailer, you enter directly into the rear kitchen and living room space. One of the most brilliant aspects of this floor plan is its remarkable accessibility. Even with the single slide-out fully retracted during a quick roadside stop, every essential part of the camper remains completely accessible. When you reach your destination and deploy the slide-out, the interior volume expands dramatically, offering comfortable sleeping arrangements for up to 4 people. The main living area features a plush jackknife sofa located right in the slide-out, functioning as the primary lounge space. Across from the sofa is a beautiful and highly practical breakfast bar that looks directly out over the campsite through a large window, providing the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee. The defining feature of this floor plan is the stunning rear kitchen, which spans the entire width of the trailer. For 2027, the kitchen received a thoughtful redesign, ditching the previous netting for solid cabinet doors, resulting in a much cleaner and more residential look. This culinary space is wonderfully appointed with high-end appliances, including a versatile 2-burner gas cooktop, a modern microwave complete with a built-in air fryer function, a proper hood extractor for ventilation, and a massive 10-cubic-foot 12-volt refrigerator with a dedicated freezer compartment. The countertops themselves are crafted from an ultra-durable composite material that is exclusively used by the Reign series, remarkably resistant to scratches and daily wear and tear. Moving toward the front of the trailer, you will discover the pass-through bathroom. It features a large premium fiberglass shower enclosure on one side and a high-quality porcelain toilet and vanity sink on the opposing side. Beyond the bathroom, nestled safely behind a space-saving pocket door, is a true rarity for a trailer of this size, a completely private front bedroom. This secluded retreat boasts a comfortable walk-around queen-size bed, flanked by a pair of matching wardrobes for hanging clothes. To ensure you stay comfortable, it is packed with robust climate control systems, including a 13,500 BTU air conditioning unit and a 20,000 BTU furnace. For those who love boondocking, it includes a 220-watt solar package managed by a smart controller. The plumbing system offers 37 gallons of fresh water, 54 gallons of gray water, and 27 gallons of black water. With an empty weight of 4,030 pounds and a price just under $30,000, the 19RK is an absolute game changer.